Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So today we are discussing about how we can add a new simulator on Xcode to run. Okay. So first of all, I am going to open Xcode on my MacBook. Okay. I just open Xcode on the MacBook, and it's opening due to high load. It's okay. So after opening the Xcode, we can see here on the top. Okay, so it's open. After opening the Xcode, we can see here like this is Xcode settings and the uh, menu bar of the Xcode. For example, okay, let's say we can go from click here Xcode and then go to the settings. So it will open the settings of the Xcode where from we can see the different things. Okay, first of all, this is the general setting about the appearance of the Xcode and other stuff. For, for the management of the simulator, we have to go here the components. Okay, and in the component I can see here these are all the simulators which I have installed so far. So this is the first one, the second, third, and this is the fourth one which I installed yesterday. Okay, so for example, I want to create an app for my watch OS. Okay, so I want to add a simulator, so I will click here. Okay, then I can click on here iOS or watch iOS. Okay, after that I can see different watch iOS simulator with the different variants, maybe 11, 10, and all these stuff will be here for adding the iOS like the mobile app. So I can see different variants here, and this the top one will be the more advanced. Okay, so far, and after adding we can see here it will go start installing. Maybe I don't have I think this one. Okay, I click here download and install. It will require a password and then start. Otherwise I can click here get, and it will start downloading. So in this way we can easily get the Xcode installation, sorry, simulator installation, by using the Xcode instead of downloading from the Apple developer website. Thank you.